guys, Allison here, and what I'm going to be showing you today is how to make slime. It's going to be with dog shampoo. I don't know if the other shampoos work, but what you're going to be needing is something to mix in, something to mix with. I got a popsicle stick. Glue. I've been using these, so I got 3 bottles. Baking soda. This is dog shampoo, puppy shampoo. Eye contact solution. I'm going to show you the one that I made earlier. This is with the dog shampoo. This one's called lavender because that's the name of it. It smells really good. Alright, what you can be doing is pouring in your glue. If it don't waste my time coming out. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put water in and shake it up. This thing needs to be coming out, right? Okay. Check out my other YouTube channel, Ali Pink. There's more slime there. So if this cuts off, that means I'm using my tablet, obviously. Okay, what we're going to do next is pouring in shampoo. You can add any color to it. While doing that, next is putting in your baking soda. I can't get this open. Okay. I got all of that. I put it in the bag so I'll take it, so I won't waste stuff. So I can waste in bag. Just add a little bit, just about that, and put that back in. Next thing you're going to be doing is mixing it up. Mix. Keep on mixing. You can add any color to it. You can add purple because this is purple. I don't know. I don't know what kind of dog shampoo you have. And then add in your contact solution, which is called the activator. Just add plenty, not a lot. And just start mixing it. And you'll see it starts getting thicker. It starts to activate really well. Add more. This is what it looks like right here. It is activating. Just keep on adding. Now it's getting stuck to my finger. Just keep on adding activator. And there you go. It's just slime. What I'll do is before I start touching this, I'll put the activator on my fingers and start rubbing it in my fingers so I can pick this up because it won't be sticky to my hands. So I'm going to put this back in and add more activator to it. If it won't stick to my fingers. Okay, if you have any more, that's enough. That's good. It's okay. Keep on adding. And put some on my fingers. Now you can pick that up and just that way. And now this is how you make slime. Just keep on kneading it until it starts getting thickness. You can also smell it. It smells really good. Obviously, it looks like fluffy slime. But that's how you make slime with dog shampoo. Please go subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Ali Pink. And that is about it. That is how you make slime with dog shampoo, and it really works. So comment down what you think about it, like, and subscribe.